Hello everyone, this is Amado Cano with 5 Star Painting YouTube channel. Today we're going to cover some areas as to how to do some easy cutting. I get this question asked many times as to how to cut a wall before rolling it. And today I'm going to show you some tools that I use that's going to make your life a lot easier. First of all, like I said earlier, I do have some tricks that I like to use, some hacks of the industry. As you can see, this gallon of paint's got paint dripped all over the place, and I want to show you a little trick as to what I do to make that, keep that from happening. First of all, I'll open my can that's been shaked well before I come to the store. You just put a little bit of tape as a V shape, trying to make your own funnel. That's simple. All right, this is one trick that you can do, and I'll show you here in a little bit as to how it goes into the pail. Right here, what we got is a purity pail that they got at Sherwin-Williams, and what this one is, this one's got the magnet for your paintbrush. It's got the little indentation for your purity small roller, which I use a 4-inch roller. Obviously, easy to carry, and I'm filling it only up to the indentation level. That way, you don't get anywhere. And with the same brush, just clean, no drips. Put that one back on your magnet, and now you're ready to roll. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to just to cut when you get the right tools in hand. First of all, there's many guys that like to scroll their lines before they do their cutting. So why don't we do that? What I did, I just scrolled the line in there, which keeps my paint from going past that line. So what you want to do, you want to fill up your brush full of paint, and then stay 1 inch away from the surface, from the line that you're trying to get to. So stay about 1 inch with the full brush full of paint. And then the second one, you just go with the second line, take a little bit of paint off, you don't need that much anymore, and just try to get closer, and then just get right up to the line. And you can see all those brush strokes. That's the reason why we carry our roller, which has got a 4-inch snap on it, and that's what's going to give. It's going to get those brush strokes away, and it's going to give us this 4-inch gap in there. That way, the roller, the big roller, when the big roller comes in, has no business doing next to your trim, and that will protect your trim. So, just very simple. And now you're ready to roll your walls.